Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Now, if you're anything like me, you spend an absurd amount of time on the internet. And if you're anything like me, you've noticed that AI is literally taking over the world. Okay, maybe not literally, but it's definitely changing things up faster than a chameleon in a disco. And you know what that means? It means there's a whole lot of opportunity knocking. Fam! We're talking about a future with jobs we can't even imagine yet, all powered by artificial intelligence. But here's the thing. You gotta be prepared. You gotta have the skills to ride this wave, not get swept away by it. So if you're ready to level up your career game and dive headfirst into the exciting world of AI, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're breaking down the essential AI skills you need to master to land a high-paying job this year. Let's do this. First things first, if you want to be fluent in AI, you gotta learn the language. And I'm not talking about speaking robot here. I'm talking about programming languages like Python and R. Don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. Trust me, I've been there. Python is like the Beyoncé of programming languages. Super popular, versatile, and surprisingly beginner-friendly. Think of it this way. Python is like the cool kid in school that everyone wants to be friends with. Now, where do you even begin? Well, hold up, I got you. There are tons of free resources out there that'll teach you the ropes. Check out websites like Coursera, Kaggle, and of course the YouTube University. You'll find step-by-step tutorials, coding challenges, and more. And hey, if you're really serious about this AI thing, hands-on practice is key. Start small, like creating simple AI models. There are these super helpful Python libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch that make it way less scary than it sounds. It's like building with AI Legos, fun, colorful, and you get to create something awesome. All right. So you're starting to get the hang of programming, but now it's time to dive into the real brains of AI, machine learning, and deep learning. Think of it this way. Machine learning is like teaching a computer to learn from experience without explicitly programming every single step. It's like teaching your dog a new trick. You don't tell them exactly which muscle to twitch at every second. You reward them for getting closer and closer. Deep learning, on the other hand, is like machine learning on steroids. We're talking about algorithms inspired by the human brain, specifically neural networks. These bad boys can process massive amounts of data, identify complex patterns, and make predictions with mind-blowing accuracy. We're talking about self-driving cars, facial recognition, personalized recommendations, all powered by deep learning algorithms. Chapter 3. Data Analysis and Data Science Making Sense of the Chaos. Now let's talk about data, because in the world of AI, data is everything. It's like the fuel that powers the whole AI engine. But here's the catch. Data can be messy, overwhelming, and downright chaotic. That's where data analysis and data science come in. Think of yourself as an AI detective, sifting through mountains of data, looking for clues, patterns, and insights that nobody else can see. You'll need to learn how to clean, analyze, and interpret data to extract meaningful information. And for all you visual learners out there, tools like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib will be your new best friends. They'll help you create stunning visualizations, charts, and graphs that'll make even the most complex data easy to understand. Chapter 4. AI in Real Jobs, Where the Magic Happens. Now you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but what kind of jobs can I actually get with these AI skills? Hold up, because I'm about to blow your mind. AI is not just for tech companies anymore. From healthcare to finance, retail to cybersecurity, every industry is jumping on the AI bandwagon. Companies are hiring AI engineers to develop cutting-edge algorithms, data scientists to extract insights from massive data sets, machine learning specialists to build predictive models, and AI consultants to help businesses navigate this new world of intelligent machines. And the best part? These AI gigs come with some seriously impressive salaries. We're talking about entry-level AI engineers starting at $80,000 to $120,000 per year, and experienced professionals raking in upwards of $150,000. Chapter 5. How to get started. No tech background? No problem. But I hear you say, I don't have a fancy tech degree. Can I still be a part of this AI revolution? Absolutely. You don't need to be a coding wizard or a math genius to get started. There are tons of free online courses on platforms like Udacity, Coursera, and edX that'll take you from AI zero to hero. And remember, hands-on experience is everything. Start small, build real-world projects, and don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. There are also amazing AI communities out there that are super welcoming to beginners. Check out GitHub, LinkedIn groups, and Kaggle competitions to connect with industry experts, get feedback on your projects, and learn from the best in the business. The future is AI. Are you ready? So there you have it, fam. The AI revolution is here, and it's changing the game faster than ever before. The question is, are you going to be a spectator, or are you going to get in the game and level up your career? The future belongs to those who are willing to adapt, learn, and embrace the power of AI. Start learning today. Build something amazing, and who knows, you might just be the next AI superstar. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel for more career tips, and share this video with your friends who need a little AI inspiration. Until next time, stay curious, stay hungry, and keep on learning. Peace out.